Welcome to the world of robotics, a field that's shaping our future. Let's start at the beginning, the birth of robotics. As technology advanced, so did the complexity of robots. Today, robots are an integral part of industries worldwide. But it's not just industries, robots are becoming a part of our everyday lives. The future of robotics is even more exciting, with endless possibilities. From healthcare to space exploration, robots are set to revolutionize our world. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of robotics are a topic of hot debate. As we move forward, it's crucial to navigate these challenges wisely. The science of robotics is not just about machines, it's about us, our future. It's about creating a world where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. It's about harnessing the power of robotics for the greater good. And it's about inspiring the next generation to continue this journey. Because the future of robotics is in our hands. So let's embrace it, let's shape it, for a better tomorrow. Because the science of robotics is not just a field of study, it's a promise of a brighter future. A future where technology and humanity coexist in harmony. So let's explore, let's innovate, let's shape the future of robotics. Because the future is not something we enter, it's something we create.